The do's and don'ts of pillow donuts during frying and after frying. I promised to talk about this. You remember that time that pillow donuts was raining? There were lots of videos where people were saying this is what I ordered versus what I got, this is what they showed, and this is what they sent. And I felt the need to post that video. I made this video long time ago, but somehow other things, other events took over and I just left it. So I still feel the need to talk about it. While frying your donut, I know a lot of people say fry with low heat. I said it too, yes, you fry with low heat. However, don't fry with very low heat. It's going to make your donut soak oil. After frying, first drain it. With that spoon that you used to scoop it, drain it first. Then transfer to a paper towel that will absorb the oil. Then you can decide to transfer to a sieve or a tray or